What's important is making sure you have a wet towel, a dry microfiber towel. I'm using glass cleaner, fabuloso, paper towels, and dusters. This is the Kleen, this office. I will show y'all the dimensions. It's not a big office at all. The first thing that I would suggest you do in this situation, it's already been dust. Had another teammate come through, dust all of this. From dusting all of this, the next thing I would suggest you do is look at your windows, look at your glass. Making sure you're cleaning your glass. You know, it's a cold world right now. As you can see, I have my mask on. I suggest the same to y'all because this is very important. Okay? The glasses. This just is some of the glass cleaner that I like to use. I'm a big fan of the Windex as well, but in this time right now, the foam, it helps decrease the you know how when you're spraying the actual spray of everything, this helps decrease from the solution getting on other items by using the foam. Because what I tell people is even when you're wiping down the tables and the desk, it's very good to make sure that you are spraying on your towel. As you can see, I have my wet towel. Okay. Wet towel, spray on towel, please. Spray on towel. Since the dust has been done already, I'm gonna do that. Spray on your towel. The reason why I suggest that is because you don't, if it was papers on this desk, you don't want to spray office, you know, their paperwork with the cleaner or the solution that you're using. This is a little bit different type of cleaning. This is a post-construction. Want to make that known. This is a post-construction cleaning, y'all. Post-construction cleaning is a little bit different than regular cleaning due to the fact that you're removing a lot of dust. Okay. The next thing y'all would suggest you doing, these are some monitors. I'm gonna turn the camera around a little bit. Okay. Okay. I'm bringing it around here. Give me a second to get the paper towels.